Hey everyone, Maggie Nolan here with Living Radiant Photography. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get 2 videos in while my kids are sleeping. We have a double header weekend ahead of us. We have a wedding tomorrow and a wedding Saturday. And so I am so excited. I wanted to get these videos done because I ordered the new Kamrette. It is an Australian made company. They make beautiful, beautiful camera bags. And to be totally honest, I have a bag that I've been using and I really liked it, but it was bulky and I just wanted something that looked nicer, that was a little bit more feminine and lighter. I didn't need all the space in my other bag that it had. And so today, you guys, am opening up what's called a Kamrette camera bag. So here we go. When you open it, you guys, this is what it looks like, okay? Really, really pretty. There's a cute little, like, follow us on Instagram, like, little social card. There's also a really sweet thank you note. And when you guys see this bag, just wait. It is so, so pretty. So I'm going to take it out. Take it out, take it out. Oh, I'm sorry. And it comes, looks like it's double wrapped, plastic and fabric, which is great. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gonna be so pretty. Dun, 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 dun. My new Kamrette bag, little gel packs. Don't let your dogs or kids get those. The new Kamrette, guys, it's beautiful. It comes with 3, actually technically 4 zips on the front. I plan to put business cards and lens wipes in here. I've already thought about this, so that's why I wanted to show it to you guys. In this pouch, this is going to be like girl stuff. Tampons, boob tape, crochet hooks, basically like a mini emergency kit that applies for photo. Blot wipes, oil wipes, tissues. There's some extra batteries too. Every so often I have an uncle who needs AA batteries, and so I whip them out for him. So there's that. And then I also have this pouch, which I'm going to keep all of my timelines in. So if I have a double header weekend, both timelines will go in there for both weddings. So they're done and I'm prepped for the weekend. Now, the big reveal. This is the main pouch, you guys. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. So it looks like a backpack, looks like a cute purse. But when you open it, it has all these slots, obviously for lenses and for bodies. On this side, it's cute. There's like a logo. It has another zip pouch. It has a tight pouch here and a fat pouch here, like a wider one, deeper one. And then I'm pretty excited about this. I did not have this with my other camera bag. I have a laptop sleeve, and I do take my laptop to weddings. I do that because at the end of the night, sometimes I have downtime. After I've packed up, I'm off the clock, and sometimes I just need to like take a hot minute. So sometimes I just start the import while I'm eating some cake in a back room or whatever. And so it's also great for emergencies if you need to quickly check a card, just to be able to have a card reader, your extra memory cards in here, your laptop. I think the charger would actually fit really well in here too. I'm not really sure what this is for. Maybe to help you hang some umbrellas, stay off the side. I will say the side pockets, you guys, are not very deep. I mean, here's a bottle of water. I mean, you can kind of force it in. I might hate that later. So maybe that's just for prettiness. But guys, other than that, I absolutely love this new bag. I'm going to give it a roll this weekend. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to rock it. I'm going to pack it. And in a couple of minutes, I'm actually going to record what I take to weddings and how I'm going to pack my new Kamrette. So thanks so much for being on here. Have a lovely day and a great weekend.